My favorite Thanksgiving food is definitely corn casserole, and then I'm most thankful for my family and my dogs and my fiance.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is green bean casserole, and I'm thankful for my husband.
So the Thanksgiving food, it can't be Thanksgiving without green bean casserole. Like green bean casserole is like uniquely Thanksgiving, and when made right, it's delicious. The thing I'm most thankful for this year has to be that my newborn son is healthy and happy.
My favorite Thanksgiving food would have to be dressing. Not just any dressing, cornbread dressing. Gotta be cornbread. And the thing that I'm most thankful for would have to be my partner, Kurt.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie. My favorite Thanksgiving food is corny corn, which is like a cornbread casserole, but it's sweet, so good. And I'm so thankful for all of my friends at LTK who make coming into the office every day so much fun.
Hi, I'm Alexa, and my favorite Thanksgiving food is pumpkin pie, obviously, and I am most thankful to work at such an amazing place like LTK.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is mashed potatoes, and I'm thankful for my family.
My favorite Thanksgiving dish is macaroni and cheese, and I'm grateful for having a beautiful family.